The Car Cloak team is all about making sure we enhance your experience with using the Car Cloak effectively each and every time. Remove the Car Cloak from the trunk or back seat of your vehicle by holding the handle underneath the cover. Walk around to the driver's side of your vehicle. Place the Car Cloak on the top edge or roof of your vehicle. Make sure the arrow is facing the front or hood, with the logo and the wording facing the rear or the trunk of your vehicle. By pressing the top right button, you will hear a beeping sound. This will let you know it is ready to be released, and the top will go up. The cloak will spin out of the machine. Continue spreading the cloak over the vehicle, tucking it under each bumper. Press the release button again if you need more cloak, until the cloak is completely released. Next, you want to release the cloak. By pressing the top right button, the top will go up. The cloak will spin out of the machine. Now you are a Car Cloak expert. Enjoy using the easiest car cover ever, the Car Cloak.